Hi kids! Today, you are going to learn about the SH digraph with Teacher Jasmine. The letters S and H together make the sound sh, sh. So here is the quieting song that I always sing to you, which will remind you of the sh sound while listening. Put your finger on your lips like this, shh. Put your finger on your lips like this, shh. Close the mouth with a zip. Put your finger on your lips. Put your finger on your lips like this, shh. Put your finger on your lips like this, shh. Put your finger on your lips like this, shh. Close the mouth with a zip. Put your finger on your lips. Put your finger on your lips like this. Shh. Here are the words with initial sound of sh. Sh. She. Sh. Ship. Sh. Shoe. Sh. Shell. Sh. Shop. Sh. Shirt. Sh. Shark. Here are the words with the final sound of sh. Fish. Fish. Dish. Dish. Wash. Wash. Cash. Cash. Rush. Rush. Push. Push. Now let us have a game. Can you guess the name of each picture? All the words should have the sound sh in the beginning or at the end. Get ready now. You got it right. Ship. Yes, shower. Good job. Shampoo. Well done. Very good. Brush. Correct. Trash. How was the lesson today? I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time. Bye.